In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send weekly emails via Gmail using Scheduler. So let's start. Select Scheduler as your trigger. Then choose New Scheduled Event as trigger event. Select Interval and Start. Now in steps, we have to send an email using Gmail. For that, select Gmail. Next, select Send Email as Action. Again, select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now enter the email address of the recipient. Enter the subject. Next, enter the message. Copy-paste Google Sheet link. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Go to Gmail. You will receive a new email with your weekly report link. In this way, we can build a journey to send weekly emails via Gmail using Scheduler. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.